A very good morning to you children. How are you all? So I welcome you once again to your GK class. And in our GK class today we are going to study lesson number 11, which is based on some famous residences. What is a residence? Residence means our home, our house in which we live. So in this chapter we are going to learn about some famous residences or the famous houses of some great people. So let us begin. As you can see that in this lesson we are given the pictures of some famous buildings which are obviously the residences or the houses of some great people, and the description is also given as well. So we have to see the building, we have to study the description, and then we have to write the name of that building. Coming on to the first one, children, as you can see, this building must be looking very familiar to you because it's in India and it is in Delhi also. And what is it? It is the official residence of the President of India. It is located in New Delhi. So this famous building is supposed to be the residence of President of India. So the President of India lives in this building. It is in New Delhi and the name of this building is Rashtrapati Bhavan. And I hope many of you must have seen this building also, right? Let's move on to the second one. Again, you can see there's a building which is totally white in color, and this is the official residence of the President of USA. It is located in Washington, D.C. So this white color building is the residence of President of USA, that is America. The President of America lives in this building. It is located in Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C., which is the capital of United States of America. And the name of the building is very much clear from its color. It is known as White House. Coming on to the next one. It is the official residence of the Prime Minister of the UK. Now we are talking about UK. And the Prime Minister of UK lives in this building, and this building is located in London, and the name of this building is 10 Downing Street. Clear, children? So all the buildings which we are learning today are the official residences of the people where the presidents or prime ministers of different countries are living. Now we move on to the next one. It is the official residence of the royal family of the UK. So the royal family of UK lives in this building, and again this building is located in London, and as you can see it's a huge building. It looks like a palace. So obviously the name of this building is also Buckingham Palace. Clear, children? So Buckingham Palace is the building where the royal family of UK lives. Coming on to the next one now. Now, as you can see this building, it is supposed to be the official residence of Pope. Okay? Pope is a religious personality and he is supposed to live in this building, which is located in the Vatican City. So this building is located in the Vatican City, and the name of this building is Apostolic Palace. Apostolic Palace, which is the official residence of Pope. The last one for today is the official residence of the President of France, and it is located in Paris. So this building is the official residence of the President of France. It's in Paris, and the name of this building is Élysée Palace. Élysée Palace is the official residence of Presidents of France. So as you can see, all the famous buildings where Prime Ministers or President lives are mostly situated in the capital cities, right? Washington, D.C., New Delhi, London, Again, London, Paris, these all are the capital cities, and all the important buildings of a country are always situated in the capital of that country. So I hope you have learned about some famous residents today and you have enjoyed it also. So please write down these answers in your book, complete your work. Till then, have a nice day.